Oppo has launched two new gaming-centric phones under K-series in China called Oppo K13 Turbo and K13 Turbo Pro, with quiet, cool-looking design. Among these two, the Oppo K13 Turbo Pro is the higher variant, with additional features. Now let's explore the specifications of the Oppo K13 Turbo Pro smartphone. The Oppo K13 Turbo Pro features a tall 6.8-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1600 nits of peak brightness support, and on the top it is protected by crystal shield glass. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset, paired with Adreno 825 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo K13 Turbo Pro sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 2-megapixel monochrome sensor, with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 80 watts super flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on Color OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.78 by 77.22 by 8.31 millimeters, and it weighs around 208 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo K13 Turbo Pro has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in black, silver, and purple color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from July 25th. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo K13 Turbo Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.